Hi there, Jordan here from Accurx. Thanks for opening up this flash demo. In this video, I'll be talking about appointment reminders in the NHS App. You can now send appointment reminders via the NHS App, offering a more cost-effective way to communicate with patients, reduce DNAs, and enhance patient access. If you're already familiar with appointment reminders, there aren't any changes when setting up a reminder. Any appointment reminders and post-appointment messages sent from your organisation will be automatically sent to the patient's NHS App. For the patient to receive the NHS App reminder message, the patient will need the NHS App installed with notifications switched on. If the appointment reminder is sent via the NHS App, but the patient doesn't read the message in the NHS App within 24 hours, the reminder will default to an SMS. I will now go through how to set up appointment reminder and post-appointment messages with Accurx. Begin by clicking your initials in the far right panel of the Accurx toolbar. Select the third option under your email, Manage Organisation. Your web browser will open directly to the Manage Organisation page. Scroll down to the Appointment Reminders section and click the Create a Reminder button to start setting up your reminder. Choose a site location for your reminders. If you have a multi-site organisation, you can select multiple locations. Next, select the slot types from the drop-down, which are pulled directly from your appointment book. You can select as many as needed. If you see slots that are greyed out, this means that they already have reminders set up. Then, choose the appropriate template for your appointment type. For face-to-face appointments, the reminder will include the time, date, and, if your organisation has multiple sites, the location. For telephone appointments, select the telephone option. This will notify the patient of the appointment date and provide a 2-hour time frame. The 2-hour time frame will span an hour before and after the time in your appointment book. You can still customise your appointment reminder, review the reminder message and add any information if necessary, but we recommend keeping it concise to save on SMS costs. The message includes a call to action for patients to cancel their appointment if needed via an auto-generated link. Cancellations can be made up to 1 hour before the appointment. Appointment reminders are sent 1 working day before the appointment by default. You also have the option to set reminders for 3 days and 1 week before the appointment. When setting your appointment, you can also create a post-appointment message for the selected slots. This will be sent 24 hours after the appointment under the same conditions as the appointment reminder. Switch this toggle on if you like to enable this option. This is a free text section, allowing you to include anything you find suitable, like post-care guidance or a friends and family test survey. If you wish to send a friends and family test, please note you'll need to create a survey yourselves using free form providers like Google Forms or Microsoft Forms. Responses to your friend and family test are not displayed within Accurx. In this example, I've set it up via Microsoft Forms. I'm happy to share this survey now, however, I need to ensure that the link is short to save on SMS costs. Now, I just need to copy the shortened shareable link and paste it on the post-appointment message. Once your reminder message and post-appointment messages are set and you're satisfied with them, click Set Reminder Live and you're done. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us using the following details. For immediate support, feel free to open up a live support chat on our support page. Thanks for watching.